Yes, now we are discussing about countries. In that, today we are discussing about the country Seychelles. The Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean of East Africa. It is home to numerous beaches, coral reefs, and nature reserves, as well as rare animals such as giant Aldabra tortoises. Mahi, a hub for visiting to other islands, is home to capital Victoria. It also has the mountain rainforests of Morni Seychelles National Park and beaches, including Bau, View, Villan, and Anse Takamaka. And the capital city of Seychelles is Victoria, and dialing code is +248. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Seychelles country, they should start in their mobile number with +248 and then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And Seychelles continent is Africa, and population is 98,500 approximate. Currency is Seychelles rupee. And next point is, what country owns Seychelles? Seychelles gained independence from the British in 1976 and has now evolved into a presidential republic. Seychelles economy heavily depends on tourism and the fishing tuna exportation, and boasts the highest nominal per capita GDP is in Africa. And the next point is, do they speak English in Seychelles? 95% Seychelles speak. Seychelles derived from French. French and English are both also spoken. So that especially the Seychelles language is from the French orientation. And the next point is, what is the best month to go to Seychelles? Best time to visit Seychelles is between April to May or October to November, as these are calmer periods between the two trade winds which hit the island each year. The northwest trade wind blows from November to March, and the southeast wind from May to September. And next point is, what Seychelles is known for. Here is what sets Seychelles apart from other beach destinations. Pink sand beach in La Digue. Seychelles boasts of some of the most beautiful beaches. 2 UNESCO sites. The rare what Seychelles is known for. That is, here is what sets Seychelles apart from other beach destinations. Pink sand beach in La Digue, and Seychelles boasts of some of the most beautiful beaches. 2 UNESCO sites. The rare black parrot. Black parrots are also available in this island. And one of the best scuba diving destinations. World's smallest capital city. Takama Bay Distillery Tour. Sixth best beach in the world. Oh, this is the information and the best known things of Seychelles. And the next point is, what kind of food they eat in Seychelles. Staple foods include fish, seafood, and shellfish dishes, often accompanied with rice. Fish dishes are cooked in several ways, such as steamed, grilled, wrapped in banana leaves. Baked, salted, and smoked curry dishes with rice are also a significant aspect of the country's cuisine. And the next point is, do I need visa to Seychelles? Seychelles is a visa-free country. However, a visitor's permit will be obtained upon arrival if you meet certain criteria and can show a valid return of onward return or onward ticket for duration of the visit, confirmed accommodation or invitation letter if staying with friends or relatives, and next point is, does Seychelles have nightlife? Nightlife in Seychelles is not limited to pubs, bars, nightclubs and casinos. There is also a movie theater, Deepam Cinema, that showcases two film screenings on weekdays and three screenings on weekends. The only cinema hall of the country is located in Victoria and can accommodate to 247 viewers. Next point is, how many days do I need in Seychelles? A memorable Seychelles, that means Seychelles. Seychelles holiday lasts between 10 to 14 days, with a minimum of 10 days being a good amount of time to explore the islands, excluding the first and last days as travel days. You have 8 days to have a real blast. Next point is, what is the climate of Seychelles? The Seychelles climate is tropical with a daily temperature of between 24 to 30 degrees C. The ocean temperature stays at around 26 degrees C all year around. And next point is, can foreigners buy property in Seychelles? Foreigners can buy privately owned property, but must request permission from government. The application process is typically handled by a notary or a lawyer for a fee of 1.5% of the purchase price. So foreigners can buy property in Seychelles. And next point is, what airport do you fly into for the Seychelles? The Seychelles International Airport. Most flights from the United States to Seychelles go to the Seychelles International Airport, located near the capital of Victoria on Mahi Island. This is the information regarding Seychelles island. It is almost island because islands, the set of islands, 150, around 115 islands are there in this Seychelles control. So it is also a wonderful country who can remember it. And why I did this video is, those who are interested to go to Seychelles for educational purpose or traveling purpose or business purpose, they should know the basic fundamentals of this information. So that only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.